Welcome, this is 2 Mike with Hornriser Productions. Today is my birthday, so I figured I'd make a video. My humidifier I just received, because you need a humidifier, especially in the winter time. The dry air, so you want to make it, more moist. If I had the money, I could put a system in my HVAC system, but unfortunately that costs millions of dollars, And I'm trying to start my business, but it's not looking good. Nobody wants to pay, so for good, high quality stuff. But this is my humidifier I got. And yeah, I'm going to open it up. Control and functions. Okay, we got some, you can put some essential oils in it. Happy birthday to me. So yeah, this is it. I think it's a 6 liter. You want something big so you ain't gotta, change it all the time, This should last at least maybe a little over a day, maybe. It's cool. Love it. And I got a dehumidifier too, but that's more for, I think, summertime. But yeah. Okay, well, I appreciate it. If you watched it, like my video, support me. Because I always support everybody else, but nobody supports me. So, but it's all right. I'll support myself. That's what you do. You got this. All right. Well, thank you, and God bless. Okay, now it's time to fill her up. Gotta go to the max level, and then she bangs. Now we're going to go insert it and turn it on. We're going to put her in. Wow. What a beautiful thing. Okay. Power. Wow, look at that. Look at like a vortex. That's pretty cool. It lights up. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I got some vapor. Mist 2, 3. There's 3. Oh wow, it changes colors. Oh my god. Yeah, if you all looking for a humidifier and a dehumidifier, it's a package I got. Yeah, this would be the one. This is pretty dope. Changes colors. Looks like a vortex. Got it on the TikTok shop. They got some pretty cool stuff and good deals. Check it out.